Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and Blender is a complex open source project, potentially thousands of developers, and to try and organize all those developers together is somewhat like herding cats. In order to do it until now, they've used developer.blender.org, which is what you see in front of you. This was the kind of launching point and portal where you'd go to do bug requests, the source code was hosted here, etc. The problem is, at least as of July 12th, 2022, they announced that they were going to have to move away from this. Why was that? Well, it's because they used a software called Phabricator behind the scenes, and it was discontinued. So the announcement about this arrived a bit over a year ago as of writing, so they had a team looking for a replacement. They looked at a number of different options, and what they came up with was Gitea. It's software decided to put our faith in, being able to provide us with a choice that'll serve us as our next generation development force. So over the first half of 2022, work's been put into understanding what options are out there, future-proof enough, and so on. There are obvious answers out there. Of course, GitHub, GitLab, Atlassian, all the others work as well as Forge, and they certainly have happy customers. For Blender, though, it just being available and usable are not the only requirements. It became clear that if we wanted to adhere to principles regarding the betterment of open source software, there was an obvious option available to us that we should be taking seriously. Hence, Gitea has been chosen. Also because it is mature, feature-packed, and built around modern development idioms, which give the promise of it being built to last as a good long time. So next to this, it promises to deliver on a number of things we've been wanting to have Phabricator do for us, including more straightforward project management, better CI/CD integration, more well-understood, well-known processes for people to use for submitting code, etc. So they were basically starting out the journey of porting to Gitea. And the good news is they are done-ish. So now the project is officially hosted on Gitea at the new Blender projects page. So this is powered by Gitea. This is available at projects.blender.org. So here you can see, again, powered by Gitea. So it's generating this page. It's got all of the various different repositories. So if you're going to build Blender before, what you do now is come in here, basically. The source code is all available here. The repositories are all here. So it's kind of like GitHub, but it's self-hosted using this Gitea open source project. All of the URLs have changed, by the way. So if you're going to be building Blender from source code, you're going to want to be aware that they're updated URLs. So they're now project.blender.org. To start with, by the way, you'll notice back here, all the various different branches are available here as well, including some documentation and details of them. So if you want this particular branch, it is available here. So all of it is organized here as well. We've got a breakdown in modules. Some of this seems to be very much a work in progress. So here you can see animation details, but if we go to any of the other ones, they're generally just placeholders. So this is a move that is still, in fact, happening. By the way, if you come in here and you want to do something such as report a bug, you're going to have to migrate your account over. It should be relatively obvious how you do it. Basically, you just log in using your old credentials. It may give you a quick question like a new username to use, your existing email, and then you are migrated over. You're gonna have to verify your email in a document, but here is where you come in and you report any of your bug issues, etc., using the new Gitea interface. I don't remember what the old one was like compared to the new one, so I don't know if there's much improvements here, but this is the new reality. So for the vast majority of you, this is only really going to impact you if you work on the Blender source code. So if you're building it from source yourself, do be aware that the repositories, all of them, are going to have a new URL. If you're contributing to it, you're going to have a new user interface to get used to, and hopefully the development process is going to get better with this overall migration. Also, do be aware, once again, that the existing developer.blender.org has been archived. It is read-only from this point on. So this is no longer where you go. You go instead to projects. So here is the announcement of the move to this new projects.blender.org. So the platform for bug reporting, task management, and code review, bug reports, and design tests have been migrated to projects.blender.org. This includes task status, priority labels, and subscribers. User accounts have been migrated. If your ID account username is now set to 1 from the profile there. If you did not, a new ID account was created. I did an automatic migration. It was no real big pain. Code reviews and pastes have not been migrated but archived, so pending code reviews need to be resubmitted as pull requests. So there is going to be be a little bit of pain in the interim. And workboards and project descriptions will be manually recreated by modules. So like I said, the modules part is kind of empty at this point in time, still a work in progress. And again, the big thing here is if you're going to be building Blender from code, the old way is no longer going to work. You're going to now use these new URLs. Otherwise, the process is basically the same. Yeah, so some details here if you are a developer on what you need to do here. Also, once again, developer.blender.org was archived. So if you're interested, Gitea is the actual project that they are using behind the scenes. It is an open source, community managed, lightweight code hosting solution written in Go, published under the MIT license. So I guess it does make sense for the Blender Foundation to be using a open source project management solution, code hosting solution. So that is ultimately why they migrated here. So again, projects.blender.org, the new home for Blender source code and pull requests and bug reports and project management and all of that stuff is now live, and developer.blender.org is now archived. Again, for the 99% of you, if you're not involved with the Blender source code at all, this doesn't affect you in the slightest, but if you are a developer, definitely one of those things to be aware of, and if you're going to be building Blender from source, you do need to know about this small change. Otherwise, that's it. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.